Zefon International presents an introduction to air sampling media. This video is designed to be a brief introduction to air sampling media. However, you should always reference the appropriate NIOSH or OSHA methods prior to sampling. Typical collection devices, or if you prefer, sampling media, includes filter cassettes, impaction cassettes, impinger assemblies, sorbent tubes, and passive air monitor badges. Filter cassettes are disposable housings that are preloaded with filters meant to trap specific contaminants. The specific filter material and type of housing are designed to meet procedural requirements for that particulate being sampled. Different types of filters include mixed cellulose ester filters, which are used for sampling asbestos, lead, and metal airborne particles, PVC, pure homopolymer, for sampling silica, wood, and nuisance dust, glass fiber filters for sampling oil mist, silver membrane filters for measuring carbon, black coal, tar and coke oven emissions, and PTFE or Teflon filters for measuring acid gases, mists, and vapors. Zefon's preloaded 37mm two-piece standard style cassettes are configured with a blue inlet plug, a cassette inlet, a collection filter, a filter support pad, the outlet cassette, and a red outlet plug. Zefon's preloaded 37mm three-piece standard style cassettes are configured with a blue inlet plug, a cassette inlet, a retaining ring, a collection filter, a filter support pad, the outlet cassette, and finally a red outlet plug. Zefon's preloaded 25mm three-piece asbestos-style cassettes are configured in much the same way with the blue inlet plug, cassette inlet, extension cowl, collection filter, filter support pad, cassette outlet, and a red outlet plug. Both configurations have sections, including a top section with the inlet and a bottom section with the outlet. The three-piece filter cassettes use an additional center ring that holds the filter and pad in place during open-face sampling. Sampling for asbestos is a little different. According to OSHA and NIOSH regulations, you must use the smaller 25mm filter in an open-face cassette with a 50mm center ring called an extension cowl, which is also static conductive. The longer static conductive cowl distributes the asbestos fibers more evenly on the filter, so they are easier to count during analysis. Zefon also offers 37mm pre-weighed and matched weighed cassettes for gravimetric analysis. They are both designed with a similar configuration as the standard filter cassettes, except that they are preloaded with filters that are weighed both before and after sampling. This eliminates the inconvenience of weighing filters before sampling. The pre-weighed cassette is loaded with one filter that is pre-weighed. The cassette is then labeled with the filter's weight and a serial number. The label is also color-coded to indicate the type of filter used.